that time of year. It's time for Christmas. And I'm going to come on here to show you how I'm going to set up my Christmas coffee station. And you guys seem to really enjoy my little DIY cake video that I did for my fall coffee station. So I decided to come on here and do another one for my Christmas coffee station. I like to use these little mini cakes for my coffee station because it's such a tight area and I just want to keep everything contained, but I still want it to look very decorated. So everything that I'm going to do today you can mostly get from the Dollar Tree, which is really good. I'm going to probably do a couple of these videos because they're so easy to do. Disclaimer, I am videoing this on my own. My son helped me the other time, but I'm doing this on my own today. So forgive any of the technical difficulties. We're going to kind of do it like vlog style. So it's going to be kind of sloppy. I'm going to be moving the camera around. Forgive me for the lighting. It's a beautiful, bright, crisp, sunny day here in the Carolinas, but the way the sun is coming in my kitchen is leaving a glare everywhere, guys. I have tried so many different areas to try to do this video, and this is the best I can do. So I apologize. I'll be making more videos for anything that you didn't understand. And if you have any other questions, just leave them below. Please, I want to put this in here real quick. Please check out all my other videos. I just did a closet tour of my closet room, my little dressing room. But I am going to be showing the different rooms of my home for Christmas. I've been done decorating since November. I just been waiting for all of you all to catch up. I was done like, honestly, October 30th. I was pretty much done. But anyway, let's get right into this. So look forward to those videos and like and subscribe and leave comments. I love to talk to you guys. I want to see your videos as well. So leave a comment. I'll come check your channel out, check your video out, and I just love it. So anywho, you can get, I'm going to make these little mini cakes. You can get this little candle stand from the Dollar Tree. So you're going to need something to put the candle on. To put the little cake on to help it easy to decorate. I got these little foam things. Again, the lighting, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. This thing won't focus. But this is a set of 2. And they come in a pack. They come in a pair of 2. So this is one set, this is another set, and I just hot glued them all together. Put a dab of glue on here and set it on here so that's pretty stable. Okay? And then you're going to need spackle. Featherweight spackle is best, but they were out of featherweight spackle and this size at my Home Depot. But you can get featherweight spackle at Dollar Tree too in little containers depending on how big. But since I make so many cakes, I always get these big ones. And they come in like an oatmeal-y color. So you're going to need to add whatever color you want. So I typically use craft paints. And again, you can get craft paint at any craft store, even Walmart. Sometimes my Dollar Tree has it. It didn't this time, but sometimes they do. You're going to need a hot glue gun with hot glue sticks. You can even buy these disposable cake decorating bags with the tips from the Dollar Tree. I don't think I'm going to be using those today, but you're going to need whatever tools you need, you're going to use to decorate your cake. Again, that's completely up to you. I tend to like it to look a little more rustic, like I really did just, quickly frosted the cake or whatnot, but you can put whatever designs. If you're really good at cake decorating, the sky's the limit. And then whatever decor you're going to use. For today, I just added white paint to mine. And again, the lighting is awful, so I'm sorry, guys. So let's get started. Let me bring it down here. And sorry about that lighting. For some reason, the lighting is really a glare on this little white piece of foam. This is an old rag, an old damp rag. I just keep it to help keep my hands clean. All right, so I'm just like you would do a regular cake, which is how I do regular cakes. Probably not the right way, but again, that's why I have something down here to hold it or put out newspaper or whatever. And you just start spackling it. It is messy. It does get a little messy, especially once you add your paint to it. This time I just used whatever leftover white paint I had, so I don't even know how old that craft paint was. It was probably a little looser than normal paint, but I'm trying to be like Martha Stewart, and she says to go to the edges and listen, just get it on there is what I say. I hope you guys can really see what I'm doing. Sorry about that lighting, guys. I am so sorry about the lighting. But I'm going really quick here. Next time, I wish I would have done it this time, but I want to do like a crumb coat, like one of those, what do they call it? Like a naked cake, is that what it is? Or a crumb coat cake or whatever. So I think I'm going to try to do one of those. And that's a couple more steps to do that, but it's still pretty simple as well. Okay, so you just want to completely ice your cake, get a little more icing, quote unquote icing, and smooth it out. Now, oh yeah, I like this. I recently purchased, well, I ordered it on Amazon. I haven't gotten it yet, guys. I wish I had it in time for this video. A little cake decorating thing that would make like ridges on my cakes. And I really think that that's going to be really pretty. So hopefully I'll have that for my next cake. But for this cake, I'm doing a little thing called keeping it simple, stupid. You know? Keep it simple, stupid. So I'm just icing this cake. It does set up pretty quick. Pretty quick, it does set up. But you just want to make sure you have the whole thing iced and, you know, you don't have pieces dripping and gobs anywhere. I want it to look pretty smooth this time. Is the look I'm going for. Like a nice white frosted Martha Stewart cake. I don't know why I keep saying Martha Stewart cake, but that's who I think of when I do this stuff. Martha Stewart. Even though Martha Stewart will roll over if she's seen the way I decorate. Okay, so I'm cleaning up a little bit. And guys, that was easy, right? Let me clean up a little bit. So, yeah. All you do is do that there. And then, after you iced your cake, and I'm sorry about the lighting. We can do a little dance to try to find a better lighting, but I'm really sorry about that. It's a white ice little cake. After you do that, you can let it dry is best. Especially if you're going to go in with other colors. If you're going to go in with different colors and, you know, your little decorating thing and go to town decorating, you need to let this dry for a couple of hours, okay? If not, like for what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a little bit more here, right up top here. And like I said, I like to do these videos in real time. So I was at Target Dollar Spot today, and I found these little bottle brushes, and I don't know, they just spoke to me. And I said, I'm going to put these on top of a cake, because I really wanted to add a little height over my little coffee station. And I just thought, like, 2 little cakes on, look at that. Look how simply cute. I might add a third. Boom. Look at that. They are really cute. And they will dry hard on there. If you don't feel comfortable just sitting them on there the way I did, you can simply, you know, hot glue them, which I might do. Since we're here. I might go ahead back and hot glue them. But that's it, guys. How simple. You can sprinkle and add a little more, but I just think that's really pretty. Anyway, I'm going to be doing some more cakes. This cake, I'm making a mess. But, sorry guys. I'm going to be doing some more cakes. Look how cute that is. I don't know. I just think I like the simplicity of it. I think it adds a little height, a little something to my little coffee station. So, next video coming up is my coffee station tour. So, please take a look of my little Christmas coffee station that I have coming up. And I look forward to talking to you all next time. Be blessed, guys.